The Supreme Court will hear oral arguments in a case out of Johnson County.
It's the second case out of Kansas to be taken up by the court this session. KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar is here in our newsroom to explain this one. Leslie?
Now, an Overland Park family is in Washington, D.C., anxiously waiting the arguments on Wednesday. The father of that family is one of 3 men who were pulled over in Johnson County, which led to them getting arrested on identity theft charges. If convicted of the charges, the men could be deported.
This case is about the ability of the state to enforce federal immigration policy.
Kansas immigration attorney Reka Sherman Crawford FaceTimed with us in front of the Supreme Court. She says the state of Kansas went after 3 immigrants for using fake Social Security numbers to work at area restaurants. The evidence from those charges came from I-9 employment forms, federal documents. The Kansas Supreme Court ruled the state doesn't have the authority to use federal forms to decide a person's right to work. If the High Court overturns the Kansas Supreme Court,
then at that point, I think it will fundamentally alter the fabric of how immigration policy is enforced between the state and the federal government in the United States.
The state of Kansas says this is about identity theft, not immigration law. Sherman Crawford says that's just not true. A felony conviction would open the door for deportation.
And I think that was part of the scheme. I think that was absolutely part of the scheme, which is to convict them of crimes after which they would no longer be able to legalize their status. And so, yes, not only were you criminally convicting them, you were also ensuring that they would be exiled from the United States.
She's confident the justices will reaffirm the Kansas Supreme Court despite the conservative majority of SCOTUS.
The Trump administration wrote a brief to the Supreme Court in this case, supporting the state of Kansas. So did 12 other states. In the newsroom, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.